Hello everyone, this is Chand Kaur, working as Assistant Professor of Pharmacology with RPIIT campus, Karnal. Today I am going to talk about factors responsible for drug abuse and drug addiction. Let's talk about the definitions of drug abuse, drug addiction, and drug dependence. Firstly, drug abuse means unnecessary use of too many drugs or unwarranted use or non use of any drug and inappropriate use of drugs and coercive use of drugs. Drug addiction means continued use of a substance for a purpose other than food amount to addiction. Whereas drug dependence means a permanent psychological change causing an individual to persistently crave the consumption of particular substance. Let's talk about the general factors which are causing drug abuse are genetics, environment, trauma, mental illness, influence of peers and personality. Let's talk about the contributory factors to the drug abuse. So, there are many factors which are contributing to drug abuse. Firstly, pursuit of health. People by and large have never claimed good health, and in attempt to improve health, people resort to one or another method. Another factor is pain and problem. People, in order to relieve themselves from some pain or tension, take drugs to which they, with the continuous use, cannot say goodbye and thereby become addict. Another factor is alienation and pressure seeking. Alienation, hopelessness, despair is a global and often loosely used term for one of the causes of drug use and many other social levels. Curiosity and emptiness, especially in young people, a basic desire to experience the unknown. Another factor is easy availability of drug. There are biomedical factors like influence of the peer groups, parents, and broken family. Influence of the religion. Religious beliefs and rituals also influence drug addiction. Causes of drug abuse amongst youth are due to peer pressure and depression. Peer pressure means youth associates with different type of people otherwise known as friends, whereas depression when certain things happen to someone that is considered sad and person started thinking of the best way to become happy. So, what are the effects of drug abuse? The effect of drug abuse on youth is going to be viewed from three aspects: social aspect, financial aspect, and health aspect. So, what are the remedies and solutions to the drug abuse? Firstly, rehabilitation of the affected person. Teaching the effects of drug abuse in school, continuous campaign against the use of hard drugs, and the federal, state, and local levels. Consent of a doctor should be sought before a prolonged take of particular soft drug. Stiff penalty should be meted against anybody who found dealing on hard drugs. Parents should monitor the kind of friends their children with and guide against bad company. So, the conclusion is the factors responsible for drug abuse and drug addiction are wide and varied. The causal factors varying from country to country, in the same country from time to time, and individual to individual. Drug abuse is one of the most complex and battling problem. So, in the last, I want to say life is too precious to be wasted. Say yes to life, say no to drugs. Thanks for watching.